What is up, guys? It is just about Thanksgiving here in the States, which means Black Friday is right around the corner. Now, photographers absolutely love Black Friday, at least I do, because it gives me the chance to pick up some great gear at great prices. And of course, in photography, gear is expensive. You always need new gear. There's new stuff coming out every year. So I wanted to make a really short and sweet, quick and easy video where I just quickly run through a few of the best Black Friday sales that I have seen so far. Now, this isn't to say that more sales won't come up later in the week, but these are the best sales that I've seen so far on some items that you may consider getting. So down below, I've dropped some Amazon links as well as some other links externally to different places where you can purchase these items. So make sure that you use those links when you go to buy those items. Like I said, it's right down below in the description. Let's go ahead and jump right in there. So if you've been looking for a new camera, I've got good news for you. There's great deals from both Nikon, Sony, and Canon. All three camera brands have great deals going on. Let's take a look. First here, I've got the Nikon D850. It's on Amazon for 10% off. You save $300. Now, of course, the D850 is kind of the top of the line model for Nikon cameras. It boasts a 45.7 megapixels, and I won't run through all the details, but if you are a Nikon user, this is definitely something you should look out for because this is pretty much the cream of the crop, the top of the line Nikon camera you can get. Now, next we've got a Canon camera here. This one is the Canon EOS R mirrorless. So if you're looking to get into mirrorless shooting and you're a Canon shooter, this is a great deal. I would not pass up. It looks like you save 11% on this. You get $200 off. So yeah, great mirrorless camera. It's going to be a lot smaller, most likely, than the current Canon camera you're using. So perfect choice for those of you that want to shoot mirrorless, that shoot on Canon. Now, the last camera body that I've got here, and definitely not the least, is the Sony A7 III. That one is also 10% off at just about $1,800 US. I love my Sony cameras. This is going to be really similar to the Sony A7 IV that I shoot on with a little less megapixels, but this is a great kind of medium level camera. It's not the top of the line, but it's also a really solid full frame camera. You've also got the option to pair that with a lens if you'd like as well, and you're still going to get about 10% savings. So this is a great camera to start out on if you want to get into photography and start shooting your own photos. Can't go wrong here. So I know there's a lot of you guys out there that probably really like accessories. I know I sure do. Peak Design is kind of the top of the line, the gold standard for a lot of camera accessories. I'm going to show you two of my favorite accessories that they've got on sale here. And now first we've got this Slide Light camera strap black. Now you may be thinking that you already have a camera strap. Why do I need this one? This one is really nice. I use it on my camera quite often. You've got these little anchor points here, and these anchors connect to your camera, and then the camera strap connects into those anchors. It's really easy to take off, which is super nice. A lot of times if you're shooting on a tripod, you don't need your long strap here dangling around, so it's nice to be able to take it off. And these little anchors here are compatible with any of their other items, which I'm going to show you in just a second. You can see this strap here is 15% off, comes in at about $42.46 US. So there is that. Now, these are really popular. I personally am not a huge fan of them, but if you've seen someone use them and you want one, this is the best time to pick one up. Essentially what this is this straps on your backpack, just like in this photo, and then your camera can strap right on top. These are really nice to have. This is a really great gift to get someone as well, either of these two accessories. So if you know a photographer in your life that might want a gift, these are great things. They're a pretty good budget for gift giving for someone special in your life. And you can see, really simple, easy to use. This goes right on your camera, and this goes on your bag, and then this straps into this once it's on your camera. So super easy to use. They are nice. A lot of photographers love them. I personally don't, but a lot of photographers do. So I wanted to highlight this deal. This one is also 15% off. Now, if any of you guys are thinking about getting into some content creation, making some stuff behind the scenes, or you just want something fun and small to use on your adventures, GoPro is offering a killer deal on their Hero 10. I recently just got a GoPro a few months ago to make videos on YouTube, and I absolutely love it. The thing is awesome, fits in your pocket. Really can't go wrong with it. You can see here GoPro is offering $200 off, which is huge on this GoPro Hero 10. Looks like it comes with this memory card and a battery. Really can't go wrong. I use the GoPro Hero 9, but the Hero 10 I've heard is so much better. It's great, so you can't go wrong. I will link this down below, of course, but great deal on a GoPro. If you've been thinking about getting a GoPro, now is the time to get one, in my opinion. All right, so I know a lot of you guys might have all of the products you need, but let's talk about some software. There's some great deals on software going on right now. I want to show you guys a few of my favorite softwares that are offering Black Friday deals that you can pick up in order to own this software. All of these softwares, you buy it once and you own it forever. You don't have to worry about paying a monthly subscription fee or anything like that. So first up here, I've got On1 offering a really nice deal on their Photo Raw 2022, the full version. If you don't have On1, you will be paying this price, the $74.99. It's on sale from $100. It's a really great deal on the software. I've got tons of great video outlining this software. I will link a video right here where you can see me using the software so you can look at it, see if it's something that you'd actually like to use. But I personally use this all the time in my photography. It's a great option and you do not have to pay a subscription fee, which is amazing. Another software that I've started using a lot lately is Topaz Denoise AI. It's an awesome software that you can denoise your photos. You can see it's 25% off through the 29th. That's a great deal. Pick this software up. You won't regret it. I use it on a ton of my photos. I recently just made a video covering it. You can check that video out here. But the website is also very aesthetically pleasing. As you slide your mouse, you can see it shows the before image on the left and the after image on the right. Software is awesome, guys. You really need to have this. If you ever shoot at anything other than ISO 100, you absolutely have to get this software. I absolutely love it. No complaints. It is one of the best softwares that I've recently downloaded. You can even see it's in my menu bar down here. That is how much I like it. So grab this, guys. You won't regret it. It's a great deal. It's probably, I'm going to guess, the best deal that they're going to offer all year. So get this, you won't regret it. All right, and another really popular photo software is Luminar AI. I also recently made a video on this, which you can check out here. I'll put a little bubble here that you can click to watch that video. But Luminar AI is a really cool software. It's really cool to use the technology, the AI technology to edit your photos. And Luminar is offering a pretty banging deal here, I would say. Normally $79, on sale for $47. You also get a couple other free things here with it as well. They've also got the 30-day money-back guarantee. So worst case scenario, if you don't like the software, just go ahead and return it. But this is a great deal for some pretty cool software that I reviewed a few weeks back. Now, last but not least, if you're a landscape photographer, I would mention that my tutorials are 50% off. I've got 4 tutorials on my website. They're all 50% off, and they are going to help you improve your landscape photography. So you can see here, I've got both Photoshop Masterclass for beginner and advanced. I've got a sharpening tutorial for landscape photographers, of course. And then I have a Photoshop for Milky Way photographers. This is a full walkthrough video. All of these videos are 50% off of these listed prices with the code Black Friday at checkout. Wanted to mention that really quick at the end of this video because, of course, I think these are great resources and I hope that you guys will as well. All right, guys, well, that is it. These are the best Black Friday deals that I have seen so far. There may be more coming on Black Friday itself or on Cyber Monday, but these are the best ones that I've seen so far. Pick up these items because there is some really good deals. It's always nice to save money. Photography is expensive, and it's nice when you can get things on sale. So if you guys have any questions about any of these softwares or items or anything like that, please leave them down below, and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you guys so much. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we will see you guys next weekend. Bye-bye.